Hey friends, today I'm going to teach you how to dedupe your Pipedrive account. So the process that I use will work for contacts, it will work for deals, and it will also work for organizations. So first things first, we have to create a filter for the things we want to dedupe. So in my case, I want to dedupe my contacts. So I'm going to go to the Contacts tab, I'm going to go into People. Alright, so here we are. These are my contacts. You can see I have a couple of duplicates here. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and add this person ID. Anytime you want to update something in Pipedrive, you need to have an ID. So you'll see there's a person ID, organization ID, and if you were in the deal page, you would see a deal ID as well. So we're going to go ahead and add that person ID. We're going to make sure I'm the owner of all these deals. So I'm going to adjust my filter to Steven. If you wanted to get a little more complex, you could add a new filter. You can select your specific pipeline and other sort of criteria that determine the person. Then we're going to go ahead and export this filter results. Export to XLS. I actually have it open already, so we're going to go here. Alright, so here are my exported results from Pipedrive, and yours are going to look exactly the same. So first thing I'm going to do, delete these guys because I don't need them. All I need is this person ID and this person name. And I'm going to go here, double click, insert a row, and then I have this formula. So this formula is a little complicated. I'm going to put it in the description of the YouTube video. So it will be 1 and then the formula. But basically, you just have to copy this formula exactly how I have it in the description and paste it in the second row. Go ahead and you put that formula there, and then you're going to go ahead and drag it down. All right? And what you'll notice is basically anywhere there's a duplicate, you'll have a blank cell. So basically after that, what you want to do is you want to make these not formulas anymore so we can work with them. So Control C or Command C on a Mac, and then Command or Control C over here, which will paste the values. And then you want to click this little clipboard and click values only. All right. So we do that. We come right back over it. So now these are no longer formulas. These are full values. All right. Okay, and the next thing you want to do is there's a little coding in these blank cells which makes it so you can't find and replace. People who are more tech savvy with Excel probably have easier ways of doing this entire process, and they'll just need the theory behind it. But basically what I do is I do equals code, and then I just select the B2 cell. So then we're going to copy that down. And so the way I do it, if you have a massive spreadsheet with a ton of duplicates, this process will still work. You'll just drag down a little farther. Okay, so then I come to this cell to the left, and I go equal if this value is greater than 1, then print me Benjamin Benji. If value is false, print me ABC. So if it's not greater than 1, so if this 66 is not greater than 1, put ABC. And you'll see these ones where the duplicates are hashtag value exclamation point, they won't populate. So let's copy this down. So there you go. So now we have all these weird values. If you just have a small spreadsheet like this, you can go in there and just change all those to ABC. But basically what you could do is grab the cell or the column, sorry. Okay, so here we are. We have our hashtag values. We have our our duplicates need to have their names changed so we can re-import. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to copy this. We're going to break the code like we did before. Now we're going to click this clipboard, values only, and we're just going to copy it back. All right, cool. So now what we can do, since we broke the code on that, is we can select the column, do Control F or Control F on Mac and PC. We're going to find hashtag value exclamation point. So hashtag value exclamation point, and we're going to replace that with ABC. And we're going to replace all. Cells replace 3 instances, close, and then we're going to call this duplicate fix. All right. So now we're going to save this Pipedrive account. settings, import data, and then we're going to go ahead and import this. Oops. Once that's done importing, so this is an important part. We want to map this Pipedrive system ID, and then we want to map person name to duplicate fix. And for some reason, this organization system ID is here. We want to get rid of that. So the only things we want mapped are the person name and the Pipedrive system ID for people. And you could tell it's the person because it has this little person icon to the left of it. So we're going to go ahead and import that. Now that that's done importing, we can go ahead and check out our contacts. So now we have all these ABC contacts. So now what we do, very simply, add a new filter. So if you were doing organizations, it would be organization name is, but here we're doing people, so person name is, ABC, save. Now we have all our ABC duplicates, and we go ahead and delete those results. Boom, and then you deduped your Pipedrive account for